Ever wondered how much it costs to pull your hard-earned cash out of stash? Well, you're not alone. In today's video, we're diving deep into the stash withdrawal fees to help you make informed financial decisions. Stash Overview. For those who are new to Stash, it's a popular investment app that allows you to invest in stocks, ETFs, and fractional shares. It's known for its user-friendly interface and low minimum investment requirements. Withdrawal importance. Understanding withdrawal fees is crucial, especially if you plan to cash out your investments for a significant purchase or to cover expenses. Knowing the costs involved can help you avoid unexpected surprises and make better financial decisions. The main event, Stash withdrawal fees. Base withdrawal fee. Start by discussing the base fee that Stash charges for withdrawals. This fee is typically a flat rate, regardless of the amount you're withdrawing. Additional fees. Explore any additional fees that may apply, such as account type. Does the fee vary depending on your account type, e.g., individual, joint, retirement? Withdrawal method. Are there different fees for withdrawing to a bank account, check, or another method? Frequency. Does the fee change based on how often you withdraw? Early withdrawal penalties. If you're withdrawing from a retirement account, e.g., IRA, 401k, discuss any early withdrawal penalties that may apply. These penalties can be significant, so it's important to understand the rules. Comparison with other apps. To provide more context, compare Stash's withdrawal fees to other popular investment apps. This will help viewers understand if Stash's fees are competitive or if there are better options available. Real-world scenarios. Example calculations. Use real-world examples to illustrate how the withdrawal fees can impact your overall returns. For instance, calculate the cost of withdrawing $1,000, $5,000, and $10,000. Cost-benefit analysis. Discuss the trade-offs between low-cost investment platforms and convenience factors. Sometimes, a slightly higher fee might be worth it for the added features or customer support. Tips for minimizing withdrawal fees. Long-term investments. Encourage viewers to invest for the long term to minimize the impact of withdrawal fees. The longer you stay invested, the less likely you'll need to withdraw frequently. Automatic investments. Discuss how automatic investing can help you stay disciplined and avoid impulsive withdrawals. Review fees regularly. Remind viewers to review Stash's fee structure periodically, as it can change over time. Recap key points. Summarize the main points discussed in the video, including the base withdrawal fee, additional fees, and any early withdrawal penalties. Call to action. Encourage viewers to research other investment apps and compare their fee structures. Final thought. End with a thought-provoking statement or a question to keep viewers engaged and thinking about their financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Remember, understanding withdrawal fees is essential for making informed investment decisions. So, do your research, plan ahead, and invest wisely.